Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we want to present about startup company to you. We are from the group 11. Let me introduce myself and another member. My name is Muhammad Ridho Wahyudin Hajarati, the first speaker. Rifki Akbar Maulana, the second speaker. Arif Yoga, the third speaker. Aldi Rahmatias, the fourth speaker. And Ainur Rafli, the last speaker. 1. What startups company? A startup is a company typical in the early stage of its development. These entrepreneurial ventures are typically started by 1 until 3 founders who focus on capitalizing upon a perceived market demand by developing a viable product, service, or platform. And then, a startup is focused on growth. One feature that most people seem to agree on for the definition of a startup is a focus on growth. 2. A startup is solving a problem. Something the best way to figure out a simple definition of a big concept is to think about how you explain it to a child. 3. A startup is searching for product or market fit. Something businesses launch with a product or market fit link already built into their plan. And the last, a startup is a mix of emotion. A feeling in the pit of your stomach. Is it fear? It is excitement. Yep, it is a startup. The next.
Two, strong and weakness. Current technological advances. Two, current technological and advances and government regulation or policy calls them. The status of a startup is a unique attraction for every businessman. Strong. 1. The startup business has a large market. 2. Your performance was immediate. 3. Knowledge of startup you can find anywhere. Weakness. 1. The pleasure to keep working. 2. Flexible work time. 3. Challenging. But a lot of people are still afraid to go into startup business and rather work with physical product that they can see. Many people dream of making a job or starting a startup business. Before you plunge into the startup business, is good to know its strengths and deficiency. Next.
Number 3, this is masterpiece. Okay, I will explain some of the startup companies in the world and some in Indonesia. The first company in Indonesia is Gojek. Gojek is include the Indonesian decacorn startup category with a valuation of up to 10 billion US dollar. Gojek has an estimate income of 8 million US dollar per year, or the equivalent of around 109 billion rupiah. This company is engaged in transportation, logistics, digital wallet, food and beverage delivery, and many other services. Second, Tokopedia. Tokopedia is still the next decacorp candidate. It is known as that Tokopedia valuation is currently $7 billion US. Tokopedia estimated revenue reaches 15 million US per year. Like an e-commerce company, Tokopedia is engaged in the online and direct-to-customer trading business. Third, Bukalapak is an e-commerce platform or trading company via online and direct-to-customer. Bukalapak has a valuation of 2.5 billion US with an estimate income of 8.3 million US per year, or the equivalent of around 113 billion rupiah. And now I will explain some startup companies in the world. Next. The first is Uber, a startup engaged in transportation service and originating from San Francisco, California. Is in first place with a valuation of around 62 billion US. Second, Airbnb, an intermediary application between tenants and lodging provider from San Francisco, California, deserve to be called a unicorn with a valuation of 25 billion US. And the third, Pinterest. It's a virtual pinboard where you can upload photos or images that can be put into categories, such as album or folder, that can be customized. For example, the food and drink category, which contain photos and pictures of food and beverage. Those are startup companies that I can explain. Then my friend Aldi will explain the history of the startup companies. Next.
We're going to the fast. Story about startup company. Startups don't just show up in city. There is a brief history of the establishment or emergency of this startup business. The early startup history of technological investigation took place in the late 1990 through the early 2000. There was a phenomenon named bubble.com. A startup is a company or project undertaken by an entrepreneur to seek, develop, and validate a scalable economic model. While entrepreneur refers to all new business, including self-employment and business that never intend to become registered. Startup refer to new business that intend to go large beyond the solo founder. Startup face high uncertainty and have high rate of failure, but a minority of them to go on to be successful and influential. Some startups becomes unicorn, that is private health startup companies valued at over 1 billion USD. Next.
Okay, well, here I'm Ainur Rafli, name 20.11.36.39. Well, here I had like to tell you about a little bit about searches of fund where come from to build a startup companies. At first, to build a startup requires considerable funds. After all, many things need to be done, like the cost of product development. Maintenance is performed more than once. Therefore, A startup should have financial resources to support his company. Now there are many ways you can earn a living and not all be covered by your own company. Flooding from the book Startup Guide, a guide to starting a business startup that you should know, along with research that you can get to keep the company going. There is search of funding to build a company. The first is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding comes from the word crowd. It's mean a lot of money to build a company. There are also a few things there are include this section. At first is reward based crowdfunding. The startup owner create a project funded by backers, donors as needed. Given funds are commonly used for product development. Uh, Reward given by business owner to backers is generally the product itself. May also be the baker's name on the promotional tools of the business owner. The second is donation-based crowding. In this regards, the donor has been called a donor, well-funded project on the basis of social activities and may be funded for the improvement of infrastructure through donation for the poor. The third is equity crowdfunding. Particularly, contributor generally make a sizable amount of money because the reduction earned are the company's stocks. However, funding is not generally for corporate projects, but it for corporate development itself. And the last is debt crowdfunding. Debt crowdfunding. The term from the category is lenders. The term is commonly referred to as the peer-to-peer or P2P methods or crowdings. The loan is provided with a delicate and speedy process with a few developing the business and depending of the loans along with interest as benefit of lenders. The second of searches of funds to build a startup company is incubator. Incubator is a program designed in such a way as to help develop a small now venture for success. Incubator program usually lasts 6 months or more, depending on the development of the business itself. And the third is venture capital. Venture capital is the big one, funds that provides substantial sums. The notion of venture capitalist or venture capital fund, it does engage in managerial funding and surveillance activities. However, VC is simply option for a potential long-term high-risk go public startup. And the first search of funds to build a startup company is angel investor. Okay, angel investor in investment activities carried out by investors or its sponsor startups. Usually, they make a donation to reach the development stage of the startup. Since individual do so, the amount may be contributed is usually limited. Okay, before we gonna close this presentation, I had like to end with a summary of the main point today presentation. Overall, we have talked about startup company, while entrepreneurship refers to all new business, including self-employment and business that never intend to grow large beyond the solo founder. Some startup become unicorn that is privately held startup companies value at value around 100 billions. Maybe enough for this presentation, and it seems that times is running out. Thank you, and we really appreciate having had this time to share our presentation to you all. Thank you for listening and your attention today. We hope that our presentation will help you to know more about startup company. Yes, we are from Group 11, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a great day, y'all.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.